Hi, first of all, I would like to thank you for choosing us as your graphic designing partner, and we promise to deliver you the best possible service from our end. Now, before jumping onto the projects, let me give you a glimpse of Asana on which we will be managing the tasks. Okay, so if you see, you will be getting your name under Teams, okay, just like ours over here in Creative User, okay, and over here you will be able to see the number of people working on that particular project, okay, that can be your teammates and ours, okay, and below that you will be getting the list of projects which we will be working on. Now if you are an agency, you will be getting the list of your clients, okay, listed over here, and if you are a brand, then you won't be getting these many kinds of projects listed over here. You might be getting you can create whatever you want to, but you will be getting some branding guidelines and other resources. Now once you are invited in the Asana and you log in via your email, registered email, okay, you will be getting this resource project created for you. Once you click over there, you will be able to see your subscription details, like your package details, your starting and ending subscription details. Now when you hover over to this design questionnaires, these are some questions which we usually ask to get started with the design. Okay, after spending a huge amount of time, we have come to these questions which helps us to understand the client requirement properly and come up with designs faster and with less errors. Over here you will be getting an update section which helps you to keep updated with our new policies, new changes we keep on bringing for your and our benefits as well. Like we keep on asking our clients whatever they have feedback, okay, and how can we improve our services. We also keep on asking our teammates what we can improve, okay. Overall, whatever we decide, we implement that and we put it over here in the update section. So once we update anything, over here in the inbox section you will get a notification, and from there you will be able to see what are the updates or the changes we are bringing in continuously to make the workspace and your work experience better with us. Now let's jump on to how can you create and manage your task, okay, assign and everything related to that. Okay, first of all, if you are an agency, okay, and you want to list a new company or a brand, how you can do is you will be getting a plus sign beside your name. Once you click over there, you can create a blank project. Once you click over there, you will be able to put a project name. Okay, so in this case we have created some projects. Once you have assigned some name to a project, you will get a create project over here, and you can keep this default view as list only. That will be a helpful one. Okay, once you create a project from there, you will be seeing it listed over here in something like fund collection, okay, or resources. So once you click over there, you will be now able to create some task. Now I am creating this video for you people to learn about Asana and how you can manage and assign task over here. So in similar way, I have created these resources. You can create your brands or client's name over here. Once that's done, and if you want to list a task below it, all you need to do is click on add task. Once you have clicked on it, you will get to create or write a task name. So say if I am putting this task name as clear, and over here when you click on details, you will get the complete information which you can. So over here in assigning, let's put someone this task to. So let's our designing member Amrita Bogari, okay, if you want to assign this task to him, you need to click his name. Okay, now due date, okay, whether you want it tomorrow or by the end of the week or whatever you want, you can put like this. You can also choose a time as well. Okay, so here you will be getting a add due time. Once you click over there, you need to put a time as well. Okay, and if you are done, please, and this will be shown to you. It's all up to you if you have a particular specific time before which you want your project to be completed. Thus you can simply put a date, and you don't need to click on the due time, and you are done with it. Okay, this is a project resources. This is the resources project, and that is why it is being shown over there. Okay, if it's your project name, if your brand, okay, you are handling a brand, you will be able to put that name over here. You will be able to see that over here. Okay, you can update or change section from there. Okay, when you press tab T, you will be getting these tags. You have to press tab tab plus T to get this. Okay, and over here you can put it in progress. Okay, if you want to the designer to get started on this. Okay, and from resources panel, design questionnaire, all you need to do is control C, copy, come up to the science tutorials description, and you need to paste it over here. Once you are done with it, you need to fill it up. For an example, type. So I need a Facebook ad, so here I will be putting Facebook ad. Now dimension, so I need say 1080 by 1080 and 1200 by 620. So 1080 by 1080 and 1200 to 628. Now you need to give some design description, okay, whatever you have in your mind, okay, you can put it over here. If you have any brand guidelines or a website that you need to follow branding with, you can put that over here. For text, say something like this. You can put a text over here. If you have a particular specific style you want us to follow, you can put that over there. If you have any specific colors that we need to follow, that you can put over there, okay. And whom you are targeting. So when we are creating ads, it is being targeted to a particular person, so we need to understand who that is. So it's always good you put that information as well, okay. Now example design over here, you can put your reference designs, okay, like if you like someone else design who is your competitor, you can put those over here as well, okay. And these are some informations that you need to put, and we will be getting started on it, okay. So that's a basic video regarding how you can assign tasks. Now whenever you are done with this, okay, our team member will get started on it, okay. If you haven't put any particular due date, then as per our time limit, we will be putting our due date and tags and updating the tags as well, okay. Over here you will be getting the collaborators, the people who needs to be in this project. So you have already assigned the designer, okay, you will be already assigned as you are creating, okay. And now you can add your team members as well, so that they are also updated when the task is being submitted or anything like that, okay. So this is a basic version of how you can deal with Asana, okay. You will be getting all the notification in inbox over here as well as in your email, okay. I hope you like this tutorial, a small tutorial from our end, and you will be able to use Asana very fluently. Thank you.